All right, we're going to try to get a quick riff number 5, Oye Como Va video tutorial in before my dog barks. He's in very interesting spirits tonight. So let's start with lining your fingers up with frets 2, 3, 4, and 5, because you're going to be starting with your pinky on fret 5, and you're going to play that one on E string. Then you're going to take your fingers off and you're going to play the C string and then the open E string. So those two are open. And then you're going to put your fingers back, but you're going to use finger 4 this time. So and then finger 3. And then finger 2. So that's at slow speed. I'm not really putting the rhythm in there, but you're on the E string. So basically each time you're with one less finger. So you can put them all down and just keep taking one less off, or you can try to put each finger down individually. So let's see how this goes. Remember, there's an open C and an open E in between each one. So you're like, so 1, 2, ready, and you have to do that 3 times in a row. I personally prefer to put one finger down at a time when I do this. It's really personal preference. Okay, so we'll do 3 of them in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Helps if I put my fingers down. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so you just keep practicing it until you can do that, and then speed it up quite a bit. So if you were going faster, it'd probably go more of this speed. I'm trying to make it so you can see the ukulele in the frame. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, and that's riff number 5. That's all there is to it.